Hello everyone, so today we'll be seeing how you can remove your hard drive from your ACER Nitro 5 laptop. So for this, as in my laptop, there are all over 11 screws. In back, you have to just take them out with this proper screwdriver and then just try to take your screwdriver only and slightly tap on the middle of the edges and it will start coming out. After that, as you will be taking it out, you will see this type of structure, and you can say where the white portion is there, this is your hard drive. You can just remove the small pins are there attached to it. You have to remove it very carefully, and this is how you can just remove your hard drive from your ACER Nitro 5 laptop, and then you can fix it again. This is how you can just take out your hard drive from your laptop, but do this if and only if you are good in technical things, and if you don't know, then it would be preferred that you should go to your nearby customer support center, and there you should give your laptop and tell them what you want to do with it. Thanks. Hope you like the information.